In this video, I will solve your doubts about how to use command block in survival mode and whether or not it is possible to do this. As you might be aware, command blocks are acquired by the use of commands, so you can't even find them in creative menu inventory, much less in survival. They have no crafting recipe, you will never be able to break them or open the interface, so right now I'm right-clicking in survival and nothing happens. You can still activate command blocks in survival, so as you can see, I've set this command block to give me 1000 levels of XP every time that I press this button, and it's clearly working. However, when it comes to using the command block, that is going to be impossible. So, can you acquire the command block in any way, shape, or form and use it in survival? Sadly, my answer still stands. As of today, during the time that I'm recording this video, and for older versions of Minecraft as well, ever since the command block was introduced, it has always been impossible to interact with it in any significant way in survival mode. If you want to use a command block, you must go into creative mode. There is no way to work around this. Sadly, commands are only meant to be used in worlds with cheats and consequently worlds where you can go into creative mode. There is no way to get them to work in survival, and as you saw, I even tried to place one down in survival mode and it doesn't work. So right now I'm right clicking. If I right click the button, it works, but for the command block it doesn't. It is extremely unfortunate because maybe you would like to run a specific command or do a specific contraption in survival, but to do this you will need to go into creative mode and acquire them. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to let people be aware about the limitations of command blocks and how they are only usable in creative mode. Survival mode is not meant to access command blocks, and even though you can use the commands within them, you cannot acquire and set them up in survival mode alone. You must go into creative mode beforehand. If this video cleared up any questions that you had, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.